Children, this is your English practice sheet. Okay, this you can send it in the group. Okay, this work you will do it in your rough copy. ये सारा काम आप अपने rough copy में करेंगे. Ask your parents to draw these pictures and then you will do your work. Here you have to write the beginning sound of the given picture. जो picture दी हुई है, given picture, you have to write down the beginning sound. Beginning sound मतलब उससे शुरू होने वाला लेटर, पिक्चर से शुरू होने वाला लेटर जो है वहाँ पे आपको लेटर लिखना है. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द लेटर. रेडी? सो write down the heading, all these things, subject, date, name. Write the beginning sound of the given picture. This is the heading. Now this is orange. Orange. See which sound is coming. Say the words again and again. बार बार एक word को बोलो और सोचो किस लेटर का साउंड आ रहा है. फिर नेक्स्ट इज igloo. Igloo. Vase. Vase. Lock. Lock. Question mark. Question mark. Watermelon, sorry, this is watermelon. Watermelon. Next, moon. Moon. Next, apple. Apple. Next, nose. Nose. Next, cloud. Cloud. Next, six. Six. Next, tree. Tree. Next, zigzag. Zigzag. Next, yacht. Yacht. Envelope. Envelope. Pencil. Pencil. Hat. Hat. Mango. Mango. Flower. Flower. Tomato. Tomato. Industry. 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 Okay, so listen the video once again, check all the picture, call out the name and then do your work. Okay, thank you so much.